In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to place a logo on a thermos bottle with droplets. The first thing we need to do is to bring in our logo. In this case, I have my logo designed already in Illustrator. So what I'll do is click, drag, and drop it in Photoshop. So we have our logo here. All I need to do is resize it by clicking on the handles and then rotating it to fit. I want it to be somewhere in the middle, so I place it here and then click OK. The next thing I do is select the bottle layer, which is this one, the yellow one, and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl and J. Then I just place the copied layer on top of our logo layer, like this. Let me rename this layer logo. And then I select the bottle layer again and desaturate the layer. By going to Image, Adjustment, and then I look for Desaturate. That's way down here. The short form is Ctrl-Shift-U. Next thing we do is we create a clipping mask. So with the same layer selected, we go to Layer, Create Clipping Mask. And then we go to our blending mode here. And then we look for Linear Light. Here we are. And the last thing we can do is to reduce the fill color of this layer a little bit. I'm going to reduce it to 90. And reduce the opacity of the fill of the logo a little bit as well, to like 95. And then we are done. We have the logo rightly placed on our thermos flask with the droplets still showing. Thanks for watching this tutorial and see you in the next one.